Hi everyone, it's the girl Sukie. You must be having a difficult time writing Chinese characters, right? I understand Chinese writing can be confusing, and that's why we have this course, Distinguish and Write 1000 Chinese Characters for you. In this course, you'll learn and write 1000 essential Chinese characters. 1000 Chinese characters together with their phrases indicate that you will have a vocabulary of intermediate level after finishing this course. That's a level for daily communications, you know. In each lesson, you'll learn the pronunciation, meaning, and the phrases of each Chinese character, and there will be images, animations, and handwriting videos to show you how to write the character stroke by stroke. So you can simply follow the video and write Chinese characters one stroke at a time. No matter how complicated a character is, you'll be able to work it out. That's why our clients are loving this course so much. Those characters didn't make much sense to them before, but now they can tell how a character is structured, where to begin, and even guess its meanings and pronunciations, which is amazing. This course is online video based, so you can access anytime, anywhere. Download the images for all the characters and save them in your cell phone or laptop so that you can easily review them on your way home, for example. You can also find files for all the Chinese characters and phrases with Pinyin translations and Chinese characters for you to further review. Overall, if you need a course for Chinese character writings, this is the course for you. And if you're interested, I will put a link in the description below. You can go and take a look. We also have HSK intensive courses for you to quickly improve your overall language skills, and you can get them in combo with a good deal. Alright, so much for now. Make sure to come hang with me on my Instagram and YouTube at Sukie Chinese. My name is Sukie, and I will see you next one. Bye!